Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Abhishek Gaikwad. I am your computer teacher. So students, today we will start our first chapter, computer languages. After reading this chapter, students will able to know about computer languages, generation of computer languages, web languages and software languages. What are computer languages? A language is defined as the medium of expression of thoughts. ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर बाई लैंग्वेज। जैसे कि इस ज़माने में हम अलग अलग भाषा में बात करते हैं, जैसे इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर में कुछ सब टाइप्स के लैंग्वेज है। सिमिलरली कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो नीड्स सम एक्सप्रेशन मीडियम टू कम्युनिकेट विथ अदर्स। द टर्म लैंग्वेजेस डज नॉट merely refer to a style of communication among human beings. It is also used to refer to a system of rules and symbols that facilitate communication between a computer and a human beings. जैसे उनके भी कुछ सिस्टम और रूल्स है कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए। Such languages used to communicate with computers are known as computer languages. A computer follows the instruction given by the programmer to perform a specific job. To perform a particular task, programmer prepares a sequence of instruction known as program. Program means what? Program मतलब क्या? A set of instruction that you give to a computer so that it will do a particular task. कुछ particular task करने के लिए आपको कंप्यूटर को क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंस्ट्रक्शन देना पड़ेगी। A collection of related programs constitute a software. Software means what? Software is that part of the computer which you cannot touch or feel. ऐसा पार्ट जो तुम टच और फील नहीं कर सकते हो। It is a set of instruction given to the computer to do a certain task. Software may be designed using a multitude of computer languages that are available today. Computer languages may be classified into low level and high level computer languages. जैसे कि low level language and high level languages are there. The program is stored in RAM. The program is stored in RAM. RAM means what? Random access memory. RAM means what? Random access memory. It is system short term data storage. Random access memory क्या है? Short term data storage. It stores the information in your computer. In your computer you can store the information. The CPU takes one instruction of the program at a time from RAM and executes it. The instructions are executed one by one in sequence and finally produce the desired result. Finally we will get the result. Now see, generation of computer languages. Now we will see now some generation of the computer languages. First generation language, that is machine language. First generation language is what? Machine language. Now see, machine language means what? A machine language or machine is a low level language. It is a low level language. A machine language consists of the numeric codes for the operations that a particular computer can execute directly. The codes are strings of zeros and ones or binary digits which are frequently converted both from and to the hexadecimal for human viewing and modification. The writing of programs in machine language is very cumbersome. The writing of program in machine language is very cumbersome. Cumbersome means what? It is system or process. It is system or process. It is very complicated. And complicated this was accomplished by expert only. All the instruction and important data are fed to the computer in numeric form. All the instruction and important data are to feed to the computer in numeric form, that is binary form. Besides, programs written in the binary language are hardware dependent. Means hardware dependent. Hardware means what? Hardware refers to those parts which you can touch and feel. जो पार्ट्स जो जिसे आप टच और फील कर सकते हो. Thus, two machines with two different architectures would warrant two different binary language programs to solve the same problem. Two different architectures. Architecture is a set of rules and method. Architecture means what? It is a set of rules and methods. Would warrant two different binary language program to solve the same problem. Same problem solve करने के लिए उसका यूज किया जाता है. Now see, so with a view to ease the burden on programmers, efforts were made to design languages that were relatively simpler to write programs in. The efforts culminated in the development of the assembly language. It is developed in the assembly language. Now see here, second generation languages. Now we will see second generation languages, that is assembly language. Assembly language is often any low level programming language. It is also a low level programming language in which there is a very strong correspondence between the instruction in the languages. It is a very strong correspondence between the instruction in the languages. Now see, lots of efforts are made during last 50 years to obviate the difficulties faced for using the machine language. Machine language को फेस करने के लिए last 50 years they have taken lot of efforts. The first language similar to English, the first language is similar to English, was developed in 1950, which was known as assembly language. Assembly language means what? It is a very strong correspondence between the instruction in the language, or symbolic programming language. However, since a computer understands only the machine language, program written using the assembly language need to be translated into a machine language using a special software called the assembler. It's called the assembler. The original program written using the assembly language is known as the source code. क्या है? Original program written using the assembly language is known as the source code. Source code is any collection of code. Source code मतलब क्या? कुछ कोड का कलेक्शन. Also written using a human programming language, human readable programming language, or source program means a high level language. Source program means what? It is a high level language. And the translated machine language equivalence is called the object code or object program. Object code, it is a sequence of statement. Object code मतलब क्या? It is कुछ सीक्वेंस है कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस के जिसे ऑब्जेक्ट कोड हम कहते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोग्राम, a program into which another program is translated. Okay. Now see, although assembly language is designed to be easily translated into machine language, they are machine dependable. That languages are dependent on machine. Assembly language does not provide more sophisticated means of organizing complex information. Like machine language, assembly language requires detailed knowledge of internal computer architecture. Architecture is a set of rules and methods. Okay, architecture is a set of rules and methods, and the result was the development of high level language. And which result they got? And the result was the development of high level languages. Now see here, we will see now third generation languages means high level language. Third generation language means high level language. The assembly language was easier to use compared with machine language, and it relieved the programmer from a burden to remember the operation codes and addresses of memory location. High level language are programmer friendly languages. High level languages are programmer friendly languages. Their compactness and proximity. Proximity was something in distance or time. प्रॉक्सिमिटी का मतलब क्या है? समथिंग इन डिस्टेंस और टाइम. To English make them programmer favorites, but their proximity to programmer has distanced the high level languages from the computer. Thus, programs written in high level languages like assembly language program are not understood by the computer directly. They need to be translated into machine language. काय में ट्रांसलेट करना पड़ेंगे वो लैंग्वेज? मशीन लैंग्वेज में. फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन using special software known as compilers and interpreters. Compiler and interpreter. Compilers means what? Students. A compiler is a special program. Compilers क्या है? A special program है that processes statement written in a particular programming language. कुछ स्टेटमेंट है जो पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में राइट किए गए. एंड इंटरप्रेटर मीन्स व्हाट? is a computer program. It is also a computer program that directly execute instruction. Directly execute the instruction. Now see the different high level languages which can be used by common. The different high level languages which can be used by the common user are Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, PL1 and many others. Each high level language was developed to fulfill some basic requirements for particular types of problem. कौन से हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज विच कैन बी यूज बाय द कॉमन यूज़र? जो कॉमन यूज़र यूज़ किए जाते हैं कौन से हो? फॉर्ट्रन. फॉर्ट्रन मीन्स व्हाट? इज ए कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. ये क्या है? एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है दैट इज एक्सटेंसिवली यूज इन न्यूमेरिकल साइंटिफिक कंप्यूटिंग, जिसे न्यूमेरिकल साइंटिफिक कंप्यूटिंग में यूज़ किया जाता है. कोबोल, इट इज़ ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. वो भी क्या है? प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. डिज़ाइन फॉर बिजनेस यूज, उसे डिज़ाइन में यूज़ किया जाता है. इन बिजनेस, फाइनेंस एंड इन कंपनीज ऑल्सो इट कैन बी यूज. देन पास्कल, बेसिक पास्कल, ए प्रोग्राम, it is also a program is thus similar to a single procedure or function. It is similar to a single procedure or function. Then it is used for teach program technique, PL1 and many others. It is also used for teach program and techniques. Each high level language was developed to fulfill some basic requirement for particular types of program, to fulfill some basic requirement, okay, for particular types of program. Now see fourth generation language, that is 4GL. Fourth generation language are also high level languages. It is also a high level languages, but they differ from third generation language. They are different from third generation language as they do not attach much importance to the procedure used to accomplish a task. ये लैंग्वेज कैसी है? डिफरेंट है. थर्ड जनरेशन लैंग्वेज से ये लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट है. Instead, they concern themselves only with the end result or output. The main aim of 4GL is to be cut down on develop and maintenance time and making it easier for user. जो भी इसे यूज करते हैं उनके लिए one type of it will be develop and maintenance time and making it easier for users. Oracle is a computer technology. Oracle क्या है? It is a computer technology. The company sells database, software and technology. And some also they can enterprise software products. Software product enterprise करने के लिए भी वो यूज़ करते हैं. SQL स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज यूज इन प्रोग्रामिंग. ये भी क्या है? एक स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज है, प्रोग्रामिंग में यूज़ करते हैं डिज़ाइनिंग करने के लिए. सर्वर a computer that stores information that a number of computers can share, okay, something information you can store. Then after was Sybase an enterprise software. It is a enterprise software service company to manage and analyze information. Also it can manage and analyze the information, etc. are examples of 4GL.